Late spring on this cloudy but seasonably cool 49-degree overcast mid-morning in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. This is Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading probability-based trading alert, tactical analysis, company philosophy, and I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as that's right, old Vincenzo's brought back truth and, most importantly, integrity back into the crypto sphere, right? As I'm a crypto insider, and this crypto insider is giving you some more breaking news. As you can see, the coins have fallen slightly, not crazy, but slightly. The stock market's down 950 points on the close on Friday, and it's down another 350 points so far today for a 1,300-point fall in 1.25 days, as it's very early in the trading day. And you can see GameStop, we're $14 a share up now, as this fucking pile of garbage is finally starting to float back down to reality. And you can see Twitter has been buy the rumor and sell the news, right? Buy the rumor, sell the fact. Elon Musk has taken over Twitter. Twitter was up 50%, and now Twitter's down on the news. On a day you would expect it to be up, that he's taken over possession of Twitter. But you can see our short on GameStop is going beautifully well, and we're shorting it all the way down to this lower support, which is a 50% gain from the $144.50 that we took our initial short position out. So we're up $14 a share. We only have 8 shares, but that's over $100 now, right? So we're doing pretty good there. Our gold's getting whacked and beat down. But if you're not in the gold and silver bullion market, now is a great time to start entering into positions if you have not already over the last few years, as gold has got beat down about $100 an ounce in the last couple of days, and the mining stocks were getting beat down fairly heavily, right? So, but the crypto, what you guys care about, the Bitcoin, you can see right now, we had that little pump up the other day over the weekend. Had a little family injury with my mother, right? Broke a couple of ribs. Had to take care of her before I get back to the greater Bloomington metropolitan area. But you can see Bitcoin, after that little fake out to the upside, it's now fallen back through that 39,945, and now it's confirming probably a breakdown. And my call now, crypto insider, get your notepads out, take your reading glasses on, pick up them hearing aids, and get them pencils sharpened, as old Vincenzo believes now, after seeing the weekend activity, $36,854. At this blue ring down here is where you're coming down to next. This is your next underneath short-term target in Bitcoin, and with our industry-exclusive measuring tool, from the current price at that dotted line, that's what that dotted line is, if you're wondering, that's the current price. That's another $2,966, or 7.45%. That is your next move in Bitcoin. Your next area of a major move up or down, you're going down to 36,800. XRP is going to be doing similar things during similar times, right? You can see XRP, we call it this beautifully. When we back tested where the green arrow was, we said it could pump back up to 79 cents. And then often, but not always, it likes to get rejected, right? Up here, and then trades down to confirm a breakdown. And then as soon as we were up in here, come on. The one thing I hate about not being on my fucking laptop. And then it's going to grab every fucking thing but what I want. But as soon as we confirmed this up here the other day, excuse my French, we told you it was coming right down here for a local bottom, and that's why we put that horizontal ray on there. Let's get that off, and let's zoom out a little bit. And now you can see exactly what's going on. We're coming down to that 63-cent short-term target. Just like soon, Bitcoin's going to be coming down to that underneath target of 50 or 36,000. We hit that 63 cents, and then, or almost 63 cents. It's still got to come down a little bit more. And then you're coming down to 47 cents, whether you like it or not in XRP. I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to tell you and teach you what you need to know and learn. And that's where the short-term target's coming down to 47 cents, right? We've had our eye on that for quite some time, as this 12-month now consolidation of this symmetrical triangle that we went over ad nauseum and extensively as we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected and averted and subverted the market manipulators and the criminal gangsters that have infiltrated the trading market, the United States government, and Federal Reserve in order to knock down and beat down the retail trader, right? And that's what we diagnosed there for you. And then your full lateral flush out of that is down here at 19 cents. We're going to continue to watch out for that. XLM, you can see we're trading down beautifully, finally, to that underneath support again that we've hit at multiple times. Once, twice, here if we zoom in, once, twice, see the blue dotted line just below the green dotted line? 3 times now we're coming back down to. And then eventually we're going to come all the way, it looks like we're just going to trade over and down to that 16 and a half cent blue ring. And then if you cross that, that's where you could have a big flush down, and your next flush down after you cross that 16-cent blue ring is all the way down here at the 7.5 cents, right? Big things are happening. Lots of moves are going on. This is a full lateral crash. Just like Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, which we'll play some videos later on as I'm driving. I'll pull back up clips from the past and see last year when Vincenzo was telling you things like Cardano and XLM and Digibyte and Bitcoin were coming down. And there was the bowling ball, the man holding a bowling ball with a club foot. It turned into a bearish continuation pattern, but a bullish reversal pattern at the top. But now we're back down there below where we were, and we're in the middle of this orange support zone. And as you know, the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house. And there's the shit house down there. And if you break that 63 cents, this with the volume indicator, we went over this extensively. In this black area, it's a thinly traded area. So when you shoot through it on the upside, you can fire through it on the upside like you did in Exhibit A, right? But conversely, when you come down, you're going to fly through this on the downside on all these coins. And this one right here, what I would be concerned about on XL or ADA Cardano is if you get below that 63 cents, you have a big fall coming because you have no support. Come on, pull out my industry exclusive measuring tool. You have no support from this 63 cents all the way down. And that's a big move down to the shit house down here. That's a 48% flush. And that'll happen within a matter of a few days. It's not going to take a few weeks or a month or two like these consolidations. You'll have that 48% flush in a matter of a few days. You need to be on top of this. That's why I go over the volume indicator. It's a very powerful tool, a simple tool that even the most basic of traders can understand and use to profitability to diagnose, sniff out, and detect the market manipulation and the criminal gangsters, right? I'm going to let you go now. I got to run into the store. We got extensive updates as I got nothing but driving today, which means nothing but updates constantly, one after another, rapid fire style. Like, subscribe, and share till the next scintillating episode of Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Dun, 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 dun. Peace and love. Peace and love.